I am a Welshman, a socialist.
You're a fantasist.
And you find me impossible.
You cannot be trusted.
Yet it is a quality I appear to share with every other health minister you've ever met.
Dangerous.
This is my proposal. Every hospital in this country will be nationalized. I will build more hospitals, better hospitals, where there is need rather than where there is money.
You want the doctors to be servants of the state?
You create the greatest healthcare crisis in the history of the country.
Every doctor will work for this service. The National Health Service will start in 30 days on July 5th, 1948.